Okay, so here we are at the infamous Lot 32, aka 1915 Swanbourne Lane. Code enforcement was supposed to show up today to verify that everything is copacetic, and they did not. But we managed to get a couple of sandbags down to keep the black plastic from flapping up in the wind. And then over in this area, got some more sandbags where the silt fence was building up behind this, and it created a cave going under the black plastic, so I got that stopped with a couple of sandbags. And now you can see here I got sandbags all the way down, all the way up to the storm sewer drain, with a new, I've been told, gutter buddy. But you can see here you've got about 8 inches, 10 inches worth of depth in the water now, and it goes all the way up there. We've got sandbags over on this side to help the flow of the water. And the culvert at this moment in time, as you can see, not only has it got a little bit of space, but it's at least 50% open after getting all the sandbags, and I used the silt from the bottom of this to create that. And put a couple sandbags over here to make sure that side doesn't collapse as well. And then with the sandbags all the way down the side. And we now, because of thieves on the hay bale, we now have what we call a gutter buddy. So that's this red thing here. We've got sandbags on each side of the silt fence, so the water will go through the silt fence first. And then if water goes too high, which it did a couple days ago with the rain, it will flow over the top of this to keep water flow going. But the gutter buddy is to help keep all those particles of the styrofoam and any other debris from getting into the stormwater system. I've got a stormwater engineer going to send out an inspector to make sure we got everything covered. But as you can see here, this is where that big pile of dirt, concrete, branches, tile, all that was piled up right here up against the silt fence. It was our intention for it to be able to help keep the silt from getting into the ditch and filling up again. However, code enforcement would not clear the permit on this until we got everything off. So silt fence is back up. Where we took the backhoe in and out, he repatched that. Once the grass goes, hey, we need to grow again, it'll fill back in and be grass again. But we walked the entire area, got all chunks of concrete. We found a hurricane strap, got that down, got that out. Chunks of concrete were in these areas here. But one of the things the code enforcement said was they wanted all the tile. So we got all the tile up, all the plastic parts, pieces, whatever the case may be, over here. This is where the hurricane strap was, and we pulled it out of the ground. That was quite a thing. Thank God for a backhoe to do that. But the lot seems to be all cleared. Just waiting on code enforcement to agree that this is cleared so we can go ahead and get the permit cleared, and then we can purchase the property. Then the next step is to start building the house, but that all starts with design, all that fun stuff. So this area here, he's quite sure the water will still try and flow here, but now that the sandbags are all in here, it'll flow up over that, leaving the silt along the line of the sandbags. So we should be good at this point. It's been fun, it's been real, and I can't say it's been real fun. So we'll get it all taken care of. I'd like to thank all the neighbors of Megan's Loop for putting up with all this while we get this taken care of, and eventually we'll get us a nice house out here. But in the meantime, we'll get it all taken care of best we can, and we'll go from there. If you have any questions, my number is 727-644-1306. This is Doug Crenshaw, and my girlfriend Tracy Kanan and I are purchasing the lot and trying to get the permitting cleared so that we can do so, and then we can start the design process and all that fun stuff that goes with building a house. So but right now, ditch appears to be ready to roll to take any kind of storm water. Thank you very much for watching.